Whenever I have friends coming over, the one thing they always ask me to make for them is sangria. It's a Spanish drink and it's almost like a punch, and you can make it either with red wine, white wine, or even rosé. I'm going to make a classic version with red wine today. I'm making a classic red wine sangria, and what I really like about this recipe is that you can use it like a blank canvas to make any kind of variations or changes to it that you like. Got the apples nicely chopped up. I've chopped up both the apples and the peaches into tiny pieces so that you don't get large chunks of it when you're drinking the sangria. So I'm going to use a bit of contro, which is an orange liqueur. And usually you would use either lemon or orange wedges and maybe squeeze a little bit of the juice in this. I haven't done that. And just some dusting of icing sugar to add a little bit of sweetness to the sangria. Icing sugar because that will dissolve far more easily in this wine. Just give it a good stir. So normally at this stage, I would leave this overnight in the refrigerator and then add the club soda in the morning. But today, because I have friends coming over really soon, I've used chilled wine instead, and I'm going to add some cold club soda to it so that we can drink it right away. And just stir it together. I'm ready to serve this now, but you guys drink, like, and share.